Hello learners, welcome to this video where we will walk through the learning management system, your digital classroom at SGT Online. Here we will demonstrate how to actually use it. You will see how to log in, explore study materials, attend the live sessions, submit the assignments and track your progress. So let's begin with this hands-on journey with your LMS. So learners, if you want to access the LMS, you first have to open a web browser, which could be a Google Chrome, a Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Mozilla or any other. So first open a web browser, then in the address box type in sgtonline.in. So that is our official website. Go to the website, it would open like this, and here you would find the button of LMS login. Go to this, you would be directed to the LMS website. Here you have to enter the username and password which is shared with you on your email. Using that login credentials of username and password, log into the LMS account and it would be visible to you like this. Here you would be shown different sections. The courses would be uploaded, displayed as per your program. For example, we are now opening a program which is assigned to a MBA program student. In case you have a different program like MCA, BCA, BBA, BCom or any other, then these courses would be different because here it is written MBA. For you, it would be the program which you have enrolled in. So this is the home page of the LMS. Here we have the different sections again. So we also call this page as the home page dashboard. So if you want to start learning, the key important things that you should know is that in the program courses, you would be having a visibility of the first semester courses of your program if you are taking admission for the first time. If you want to browse the contents of these programs, go to these courses, any of these courses. Let's, for example, start with marketing management as a course. Here you would have the content in different sections. The sections could be the different units which are part of the syllabus. So these units is what the division of syllabus is like. We have divided the entire syllabus into different units of contents. So if you want to start learning the accessing the content, go to unit 1. Here you would also find different sections of the contents. So these are the sections which you can view. In the unit 1, again, we have 4 sections. E-tutorial section, which is dedicated to video lectures, pre-recorded video lectures which our instructors and faculty have already recorded for you for every topic in the syllabus. You just have to click on this section, start with the video. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyadeep, an assistant professor at the Center for Distance and let me mute it for you. You can also increase and decrease the speed of the playback from here. You can also skip to the section which you want to view now. After the e-tutorial, we come to the section of e-contents, where you have the e-book of all the notes, which we also call the self-learning material. Self-learning material is what? A type of text and images which you can refer to in your free time to learn about the different topics, concepts, theories, case studies and other relevant learning aspects. So you can browse it, you can also print it, you can zoom it and you can also have a full screen view of it. So it is highly user friendly, you can watch it as per your needs. Next is the discussion forum, where the discussion topics would be assigned by the instructors later on and you can participate in it. This is the assessment part where the quizzes are there. You can attempt the quizzes. You can go to the quiz and attempt them. Right? And if you are stuck in any section at any time, you can always use this My Home option, which is attached, linked with the logo, and go back to the home screen. So similarly, you have these 4 sections of learning in every unit for every course, which is the e-tutorial, which is the e-content, the discussion forum, and the assessment. Then there is also different sections on the home page, which is your assignments, where you can submit assignments later on when the teacher assigns you those assignments. You can also check your class progress, that what you have covered so far. Currently it is showing no progress because as a user I have not watched the videos as a learner. Next, it can also take you to course home, where you can check the different courses which are available for you in this semester. You have to cover the content, read the content, understand the concepts for all the courses, and then these courses displayed on the screen would be having an exam in the end and some assignments in the middle of the semester. So these are the other sections on the LMS. If we are sharing any news to you, then that would be shared in the announcements section. Here the calendar is there. On the calendar you would be shown the different submission dates for assignments, exam dates, or any other important dates would be displayed here. Work to do would be having some in-class activities which the instructor could assign to you later on. Next, you can also check the e-library, where we have books which are part of our regular library and which could be relevant to your learning the subject in deeper sense. And if you need any help, you can go to the help section, raise your queries. Also, you can check these alert section to see the updates, that what is new being uploaded in your course, is there any assignment date being approaching. So this is about the main sections of LMS. Our mentors would be in touch with you for any guidance, for any doubt clearance, and the live class sections would also be later on displayed on this LMS for you. So learners, thank you for your continued attention to this demonstration session. In this you have learned how to use the LMS. So once you start practicing more and more, once you start browsing the contents more and more, you would get fluent in using the LMS technology. So thank you for your continued attention. Let's start learning, and all the best for your program.